In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write emails using ChatGPT. Writing emails can sometimes be a daunting task, especially when you want to get the tone just right or when you're not sure where to start. Fortunately, ChatGPT, a powerful language model, can assist you in writing effective and professional emails quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This is a straightforward step, but it's where our journey begins. Once you're on the Google homepage, type ChatGPT into the search bar. You'll see a list of results. You might be wondering, why search for ChatGPT on Google? Well, it's because searching through Google allows you to quickly locate the official ChatGPT website and verify its authenticity before inputting any personal information or requests. After conducting your search, click on the result that leads you directly to the ChatGPT website. This will usually be one of the first options in the list, and it's important to make sure you're accessing the correct site for security reasons. On the ChatGPT homepage, you'll find a prompt wherein you can interact directly with the AI. Now, here comes the fun part, crafting your prompt. Think of what you want in your email, whether it's a professional response to a job offer, an inquiry, or even a casual note to a friend. You need to clearly state what you want the email to convey. Be specific about things like the tone and any key points you want to include. For example, you might prompt, write a professional email thanking for a job interview, expressing enthusiasm for the job, and mentioning availability for follow-up conversations. Once your prompt is ready, click on the Submit button. This step is where the magic happens. You send your crafted prompt to the AI for processing. It's quite thrilling to see how artificial intelligence can interpret your instructions and return an email draft that aligns with your specifications. Now, watch as ChatGPT processes your request within seconds and generates a complete email draft for you. It's that simple. The email will appear on your screen, ready for review. At this point, you can read through the suggested draft, make any necessary edits to better tailor it to your needs, or even use it as inspiration to craft your own unique version. And there you have it. Your email is done with the help of ChatGPT. This tool not only saves time, but also serves as a creative catalyst, helping to overcome writer's block. Whether you're crafting a professional document or simply need a bit of help with wording, ChatGPT is a reliable assistant in your email writing toolkit. Happy emailing!